Since this AI disruption has started few months back, around the start of this year 2023, I have been thinking and doing videos about if there will be a mass unemployment and how this AI era or AI age is different from information age or the previous ages. I have no doubt in my mind that there will be huge disruption in the near future. Now, the question is, which I'm still pondering about, is whether AI will be replacing humans and would it be adding any more jobs, or in other words, would it be complementing human intelligence or would it be replacing human intelligence? Well, there is an overwhelming fear and concerns, and many of them are also valid, that AI might just cause huge job displacement and will replace many humans in many fields while adding very few jobs. So, most of these information workers or white collar workers should be worried and should be retraining themselves and get themselves ready for the future. I'm not doing any fear mongering or spreading any false rumors. I'm talking on the basis of what I have been seeing in information aid, especially around text and other modality generation by large language models, and how many tools are coming up which can do a lot of tasks which would otherwise take humans to do their task in months. So I was reading about this Moravec's paradox, and it struck me that maybe things are not as bad as they look. Now, Moravec is one of those computer scientists who have predicted that by roughly in 15 years, around 2040, we will have artificial intelligence that equals human levels of intelligence. He wrote a book, Mind Children, in 1990, in which he described that future has been alternatively that it might be controlled by AI. And then Moravec believes that the future around 2040, this will be displaced through our fusion with intelligent machines. Moravec is now 74 years old and he still believes that his research is valid. One of um, Another researcher, Steven Pinker, put it in the words that the main lesson of 35 years of AI research is that the hard problems are easy and the easy problems are hard. Moravec is famous for his paradox. Moravec's paradox is the observation that high level reasoning, for example, chess playing, doing mathematics, which is hard for humans, is relatively easy for AI or LLMs to perform. But the simple tasks like catching a ball or perception, reflexes, mobility are much harder for machines, but they are simple for humans. And let me quote Moravec, and he says, it is comparatively easy to make computers exhibit adult level performance on intelligence tests or playing checkers, and difficult or impossible to give them the skills of a 1 year old when it comes to perception and mobility. If you really think about it, you will see Moravec's paradox in everyday life, from chess playing AI, which is easy for AI, to self driving cars, which is again very hard for AI. And this paradox has implications for our expectations for AI. So, still, I believe that there are many tasks which are easier for us, but they are very hard for machines. And this that will be valid for some time, maybe forever. So, this is where I have a glimmer of hope that after all, AI is not going to replace us. Instead, it just might complement us. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it. That after observing this artificial intelligence age for the last few months, what do you think now? Because maybe there is more clarity, or is it still early stages? Please share your thoughts. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.